Let's begin by finding a comfortable place to sit. This can be a desk chair, a cushion on the floor, or any position where your back feels upright but relaxed. Rest your hands in your lap. Allow your shoulders to soften. Place both feet flat on the floor if you're seated in a chair. Keep your eyes open for now. And let's take 3 deep, guided breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale gently through your mouth. Inhale, expanding the lungs. Exhale, releasing tension. Inhale slowly. Fill the belly with air. Exhale fully, letting it all go. And now, on your next exhale, gently close your eyes. Begin to notice your body resting on the chair or cushion. Feel your feet in contact with the floor, your legs rooted and heavy, your back supported by the chair, your hands resting softly in your lap. Choose one point of contact to focus on. Maybe it's the feeling of your back against the chair or the pressure beneath your feet. Let your attention rest there for a few breaths. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale. Feel the body steady. Exhale. Release any holding. Now, gently bring your attention to your breath. Let's begin by following each breath one at a time. Inhale slowly through your nose. Feel the air entering your body. Exhale gently through your mouth. Feel the release, the letting go. Notice where you feel the breath most clearly. It could be your chest rising, your belly expanding, or the coolness at the tip of your nose. Now let's deepen this awareness with a breath counting practice. Start by counting each breath cycle. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Continue counting this way until you reach 10. If you lose track or your mind wanders, that's okay. When you notice it, gently return to the breath and begin again at 1. Inhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Start again from 1 if you like, continuing to guide your focus with the breath. Now, bring your awareness to the entire cycle of a breath. Inhale through the nose. Feel the air coming in. Pause briefly at the top. Notice the stillness. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Feel the breath leaving the body. Pause briefly at the bottom. Rest in the space before the next inhale. Continue like this for a few more cycles. Inhale, 2, 3, pause. Exhale, 2, 3, pause. Let your breath be smooth and steady, each cycle grounding you more deeply into the present. Inhale, 2, 3, pause. Exhale, 2, 3, pause. Inhale, 2, 3, pause. Exhale, 2, 3, pause. Now, for the final minute of this meditation, let go of all focus. No need to guide the breath or count. Just allow your mind to rest. Letting thoughts come and go without resistance. Letting the body breathe naturally. Begin to bring awareness back to your body. Feel your feet touching the floor, your hands resting in your lap, your body supported by the chair. Let's finish with one final breath together. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Calmer, more focused, a little more grounded. You've just completed a focused attention meditation. With regular practice, this helps train the mind to notice when it's distracted and gently return to the task at hand. This skill supports you in work, study, or whenever life requires your full attention. Thank you for practicing today. Take this presence with you into the rest of your day.